Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your photo gallery on your Samsung phone so you can see where your pictures are. So just on the home screen here, I can see my photo gallery and I don't have any pictures on there. So maybe I'll take a quick picture. So this should show up on here. Now if we can't find it, we can just swipe up from the bottom. And it might be in our Samsung folder right here. It should say gallery. Or you can see Google, it could be in here too. Now, what we could do is just go to search and type in gallery. So we can go to gallery and see if it opens up. So here it is on my Samsung phone. We can just hold down on it, go to add a home, and then we can see it on the home screen right here. So I got some pictures on there now. So we can swipe over here, put on our home screen. So I already have two of them, so I can remove a couple. We can just remove it off our phone. So there should be an option to remove. Good. Now we could also go to the camera down here, just select the camera. In the bottom left, we can see our picture. We can see our pictures right here. And we should be able to go to the gallery or something like that from here if it gives you the option. So on some phones it might give you the option. On this one I don't see an immediate area for me to go to the pictures. So we can see our pictures, so we can swipe left and right. There we go. You hit the back button. Here's my gallery. Now another way that you can see all this stuff is if we go to files. So let's go to search again, swipe up, type in files. So on your Samsung phone it's called My Files. Regular Android phone is probably just called Files. So let's go to My Files and we go to Images and we can see our images in here. Now another thing that you can do is go to the Google Play Store. Here it is, my Google Play Store, and we can search. And then we can just type in gallery. And there will be a bunch of different apps on here we can just use. I usually just get the Google Gallery. So you could get the Google Photos, but they always try to back up your information to the cloud. I just like the Gallery from Google LLC. We can just install this. This one's very basic. And you can just install this on your phone. So if it's missing, just go to the Google Play Store and just download one of these. So you can just open this up. We can allow all access. And then we can just keep this, continue, and then you can see my pictures in here. So this is the Google Gallery now. And we can add this one to the home screen too. If we swipe up, we should be able to find it on here now. So it looks like we have to go to the other page, add to home. And this one will work just as well as the regular one. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.